My name is Ariane. I work as a senior design engineer here in Robin Village. Should I be looking at the camera or should I look at Okay, look at you, okay. And over the years, I have handled a few projects, which is all done in plan bar and precast. The last project that I handled is called CCK. It is a private residential condominium consisting of 13 blocks, 22 to 24 stories each block, each building.
Basically, Robin Village is precasters. Plan bar has been able to capture the 2D and it's also 3D. And then in the beam pictures, you can see the whole building. What is inside the building, you can actually visualize it.
I see the benefits of plan bar when it comes to design. I would narrow it down to 4 main advantages. One is productivity. The number of drawings the detailers can do per day has improved drastically from 2D. For example, in 2D, they would draw 2 panels per day. In plan bar, I noticed that they can do as much as 5 to 8 panels per day.
I can say that we can save 52% of this time-saving comparison comparing 2D drawings to 3D drawings using plan bar software.
Next is the visualization. Since every week I go out for meetings with consultants and contractors, it is a lot easier for me to explain what I'm talking about when I have the 3D model with me. So the connection details, we can zoom in, we can see if there are any clashes, or if it is workable on site in terms of construction sequence. The visualization, the 3D really helps a lot. And the most important advantage of using a software like Plan Bar is there are very little human input that you have to do, so there are very minimal errors.
Whatever I draw on my computer is what I see on the computer. But in Plan Bar, my life is very easy because I experience how to do in 2D, so I need to count one by one, even the rebar. But for here, the benefits for having this plan bar, it's quite good.
So in Singapore, plan bar has been using quite common. I personally know about 5 companies are using it.